you ever wondered how some people's challahs always look so perfect? But when you try to replicate those perfect braids, you find yourself tied in knots. Hey, wait! Don't give up now! Introducing the Challah Braiding Mat. With the Challah Braiding Mat, it's easy to enhance your Shabbos table with your very own beautiful challahs week after week. With clear illustrations, photos, and easy to follow step-by-step directions, the Challah Braiding Mat is guaranteed to make your braiding easy and fun, durable and reusable. The Challah Braiding Mat easily wipes clean with a damp cloth. The reverse side has a delicious challah recipe, the blessings of separating challah, and unique insights to make your challah baking a meaningful experience. The Challah Braiding Mat. Become a pro in a matter of minutes.